Hey everyone, so we're going to get started with the second lesson, which is translating algebraic expressions. So last time we talked about like terms, we talked about evaluating expressions. Now we're going to go from converting between words to algebraic sentences. Okay, before we do that, we want to go through this chart, which has some of the common words and phrases you're going to see in the questions. Okay, so sum, you should remember, means addition. Okay, so the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. All right, difference means subtraction. So the difference between 10 and 8 is 2. Okay, because 10 minus 8 is 2. Product. Product means multiplication. Although you really shouldn't use an x, you really should use a dot. Okay, we want to avoid using x because it looks like a variable, but you're used to x for multiplication. So, for example, the product of 6 and 3 is 18, right? Next one, quotient. Quotient means division. So the quotient of 20 and 5 is 4 because 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay. More than. More than means addition. Okay, like if you have 10 pencils and you get 3 more than you had 13. You have 13 pencils, right? Okay, increase by also means addition. All right, so if you start off with, I don't know, 3 paper clips and that is increased by 5, then you have 8 paper clips, right? Okay, less than means subtraction, and decrease by also means subtraction. Okay, so just keep these in mind, and we're going to refer to them as we're doing the problems. Okay, so translate the phrase into an algebraic expression. So the sum of W and 7, we know that sum means addition, so that means 7 plus W, or you can write it as W plus 7. Okay. Number 2, the product of 9 and W. We know product means multiplication. So that means 9 times W. The way I want to see you write it is either 9W, that's the most common way, or 9 dot W. I'm not sure if Alex lets you use the dot, but it'll definitely let you do that. Just don't write 9xw because that's confusing, right? The x looks like a variable. All right, x more than 9. So more than means plus, so that's going to be x plus 9. Number 4, 22 more than, so we know more than means plus, twice Greg's savings. And we're calling Greg's savings G according to the instructions they give you. So that's going to be 22 plus twice Greg's savings means 2 times his savings, so we could write that as 2G. 4 more than, we know more than means addition. The product, that means multiplication of 13 and a number, and we call the number n. So that's going to be 4 plus the product of 13, so that's 13 times a number, 13 times n. All right. Number 6, 51 decreased by. We know decreased means subtraction. So that's going to be 51 minus twice Chrissy's age, and Chrissy's age is called C. So that's going to be 51 minus where it says twice, that means 2 times Chrissy's age, C.